Ever felt like Goldilocks trying to find reading glasses that fit just right? Too strong, too weak, and oh, the headache from all that trial and error. We get it. The quest for the perfect pair of readers without a pricey eye exam or the drugstore spectacle, pun intended, ends today. Introducing ThinOptics Game Changer, the Clarity Kit. Imagine not one, but 4 pairs of our signature pince-nez style readers, each a different strength, nestled in a sleek universal pod case. This isn't just any case, it's your new best friend, ready to stick to your phone or any flat surface. Spread the love by sharing the rest with friends or family in the convenient Clear Vision Club. Crafted for convenience and simplicity, the Clarity Kit invites you to discover your ideal strength reading glasses from the comfort of your home, without the guesswork or endless store hopping. And it's not just about seeing clearly, it's about feeling good. Our readers are as lightweight as a feather, with no arms to pinch or press, just pure, unadulterated comfort. The Clarity Kit makes for a thoughtful, practical gift, ensuring enjoyment of the finer, clearer details of life without the guesswork of finding the right lens strength, not to mention durability that'll last a lifetime, revolutionize your reading experience, or give the gift of clarity to someone special. The Clarity Kit by ThinOptics. Clear vision, convenience, comfort, and care, all wrapped up in one sleek package. Order now and see the world in high definition.